Now first on CNBC, Unity CEO John Riccitelli. No stranger to this network. He's formerly the CEO of Electronic Arts. John, congratulations. It's great to have you back.
Thanks. It's great to be here.
Tell me about taking back control of this IPO process. I mean, you guys in some ways got to call the shots. It looks like Goldman was very interested in helping you with that. How different a template could this be for IPOs going forward?
Well, look, I can't really comment as to whether others are going to follow this particular lead, but we had a couple of aims in mind. One of them was just get better information. So we put an order entry system in, or an indication of interest system in, so investors could tell us how many shares they wanted at each individual price. It basically collapses the game of telephone. We know exactly what the interest is. Helped us build really, I think, an outstanding base of investors. The other side that was different here is, look, this company was built by 3,700 amazing people. And I've always hated the notion that the employee doesn't really participate, for 6 months. And I get why that's true, but I wanted to see if we could craft something where they could participate on the first day. And we were able to do that. And frankly, I'm thrilled because we at Unity really think employees first is a great way to think about the world.
Well, do you think this has gotten rid of some of the stigma around letting employees sell on day one? Because your performance has still been incredible. I mean, do you regret not pricing higher, raising more money?
Look, I'm thrilled with what we've raised. And I don't know about the stigma. Look, I didn't do this to set a precedent. I set this because it was what Unity would do in this situation. It's who we are. Others may follow it, may meet what their needs are. It may not meet what their needs are. I don't know about that stigma. I do know that it seems to have worked for us. Great partners at Goldman and Credit Suisse that helped us execute something that's never been done before. So we feel good about it.
John, how are you going to use the money?
Well, no, it's going to make a bad joke there. But no, seriously, the company is growing really well. We're confident. We don't have, or have we, any history of sort of sizable M&A. We tend to do some tuck-in stuff. And, there's not an obvious need, but here's the point for us. We went public for a couple of key reasons. One is I like the discipline of the financial reporting. I know that sounds a little bit crazy, but frankly, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And that discipline, I think, is helpful. Around here, we're certainly ready for it. We know how to do a forecast. We know how to run the business. Second thing is, this company's lifeblood is talent. I started with that earlier about why we wanted to include employees in our IPO. And we recruit over 100 new people to this company every month. We recruit from the most talented, most amazing engineers and artists and product people, et cetera. And that public currency means they can understand our compensation better. And I think it'll even help us do better as we go forward. So the primary reasons for going public were more related to what was right for our company, not so much about the quantum of capital we were raising.